to execute all government orders. PM says decision on Rajiv Gandhi IT habitat only after consulting Talegaon people, promises to solve garbage treatment site issue within 2 months. Pednekar's family resurfaces at Porore police station after FC Direct attempt to report to police hearing on petition on Monday. Opposition demands increase in fine for failing to renew health card. Health Minister proposes amendment to Public Health Act. And SS Dempo and PCCE win men's and women intercollegiate badminton titles. Now the news in detail. Goa Panchayat Raj Amendment Bill giving all powers to Panchayat Secretary was passed in Assembly on Thursday. Opposition walked out opposing this bill. Opposition claimed that all the powers of the Panchayats will be strangulated because of this amendment. Panchayats will have to follow all the orders issued by the government for any government official as per this amendment.
Government had presented this Goa Panchayat Raj Amendment Bill in Assembly in February. 41 section of Panchayat Raj Act explains power of secretary. This section has 3 subsections and amendment was to propose to add 4th subsection in this section. People and opposition had opposed this amendment for 2 reasons. 1. This amendment will help Panchayat Secretary to implement any order issued by government or any government official. 2. There was a confusion as term government did not define which all officers are empowered to order to Panchayats. Select committee was later elected to take decision on this bill. Babu Asgaonkar was the president of the committee. This committee of 10 members included 2 members of opposition. This report prepared by the Select Committee was presented by the Minister in the Assembly session on 21st July. Some of the objections of this committee were: 1. If these powers are given to Panchayat Secretary, then Panchayats will lose its identity as local self-governing body. 2. Government and civil service officers will have powers to overrule the decisions of Panchayat body. 3. Locals will be forced to obey the decisions of the government, whether they like it or not. Government made some minor changes in the bill after this report and presented the bill again on Wednesday. BJP raised objection on some of the terms in the bill. So Babu omitted the terms from the bill and presented 3rd amendment bill on Thursday. But he did one thing. He did not present this amendment under the 4th subsection of section 47. He made it 47B. What happened because of this move is simple. Babu changed the section on which the Select Committee had raised the objection. He renamed it to Execution of the Order by the Secretary. This made the earlier amendment more severe. 3 things happened because of this step. 1. Panchayat will have to obey all the orders from any government officers without raising any doubts. If Panchayat doesn't implement the decision within 1 month, then Panchayat Secretary will have to implement the order. 2. If any order directs to be implemented within a week, then Panchayat will have to implement it within that time frame, whether Panchayat body agrees to it or not. 3. This amendment will increase the powers of government and will reduce the powers of Panchayat body near to none. Manohar Parrikar has objected to this amendment. He has called this attempt of government as murder of the rights of people. Opposition staged a walkout during the passing of this amendment bill, saying that they don't want to be a party to this anti-people amendment.
पण आमचो एप्रिहेन्शन जे आसा पळय तातूंत भितर 2 गजाली बरयल्या. एक ऑथॉरिटी बरयल्या. ऑथॉरिटी म्हणजे बीडीओ पासून सगळे. हो बाबू बीडीओचेर प्रेशरार घालून तांचे जाय ते करून घेतलो. त्यामुळे ऑर्डर कसली येतली हाची गॅरंटी म्हाका लागना. म्हणजे हांव स्पश्ट सांगता बीडीओचेर हांगा तो डायरेक्टराचेर प्रेशर घालताले बीडीओचेर खंयचे करून बसला. आनी मागीर दुसरें बरयलां कितें की एनी ऑर्डर यू हॅव टू एक्झिक्यूट विथीन द टायम फ्रेम गिवन इन द ऑर्डर. ऑर्डरीन समजा 24 वरां भितर कर म्हणलें जाल्यार त्या मनशाक चान्स नाका कोर्टान वचपाक. सो फाल्यां जर तूं आपल्याक जाय ती गजाल सगळ्यो गजाली करतलो अशें न्हय ती थंय जाल्ली आसा. हळदच्या सरपंचाक हाका वचून ना कित्याक आमच्या उलगाड्यांक येवन ना निशेध म्हणून आनी नोटीस इश्यू केली. त्यामुळे हो कितें नोटिसो इश्यू करूंक शकता, कितें ऑर्डरी काडूंक शकता.
The question that has come up in the wake of this amendment is that what powers will remain with Gram Sabha and Panchayat once this amendment comes into the force? That is the reason Assembly witnessed this noisy movement before passing of this bill.
हेजेर व्हिडिओचो मिसयूज हा पळय म्हाका बरोबर दिसना की व्हिडिओ खंयचे ऑफिसर आसतात थोडे दादागिरी असतात पण ऑफिसाचे जे आहात ते आमच्या अंडर असतात समज कितेंय मिसयूज करीत आला आमी तेजेर एक्शन घेवं शकता ताका सस्पेंड करूं शकता हेचे एक मतलब आशीत की मिनिस्टराच्या पावराचेर व्हिडिओ खंय सायन मारूं शकतलो म्हणून पण व्हिडिओचेर जबाबदारी आसता स्पीकर सर की समज ताणें खंय सायन मारल्यार ताका कसोय तरी ताका आमच्या ऑफिसरा कडल्यान ताका सस्पेंड करपा जाता ताका मेमो दिवपा जाता तेजेर एक्शन घेवपा जाता
व्हिडिओ इज टू लो एन ऑफिसर हू कॅनॉट म्हणजे इवन हांगा डायरेक्टर सस्टेन करूंक शकना प्रेशरां ते व्हिडिओ खंयचे सस्टेन करतले व्हिडिओ इज 1 2 3 4 स्टेप्स डावन तो गॅझेटेड ऑफिसर आसता काय सुद्दां म्हाका खबर ना इफ आय एम नॉट मिस्टेकन इज नॉट इवन अ गॅझेटेड ऑफिसर बट दॅट इज वाय आय एम सेइंग ऑथॉरिटी हॅज टू बी डिफायन्ड वीच ऑथॉरिटी पयलीं कशें आशिल्लें एक 10,000 दिले जाल्यार कितें भानगड करपाक येताली आतां घर कितलें 220 स्क्वेअर मिटर गुणुले 10,000 कंस्ट्रक्शन कॉस्ट मोडपाक थांबोवंक जाय जाल्यार ताजे 5% दी अशे रेट काही जाग्यार ठरले वता त्यामुळे स्पीकर सर आय डो दीस इज एन ड्रॅक्युलियन पावर विथ द गव्हर्मेंट पर्टिक्युलरली विथ द टायप ऑफ हे एंड BJP डजंट वॉन्ट टू बी पार्टी टू इट वी आर वॉकिंग आउट ऑन दीस
चल
Our principal correspondent from Assembly Murari Shetye with video journalist Ganesh Hotkar and sub-editor Paresh Parav.
Again, only after taking people of Talegaon into confidence. He was replying to the appropriation bill on Thursday. The work of IT project was stopped by Talegaon people under the leadership of present Education Minister Babusman Serad. Chief Minister also assured the House that he will solve the problem of garbage site within 2 months.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath in his appropriation bill reply admitted that global recession has hit the state badly and also stated that the budget was presented in the assembly without hiding any filler. Kamath also focused on various schemes formulated for artisans by his government. He told the House that the implementation of 6th pay has burdened the state exchequer by additional 25 crores. Chief Minister explained the House how third-party audit system would benefit the state. CM firmly supported exclusion of agricultural lands for the development projects in the state. He also assured the House that a transparent mining policy will be prepared. Digambar Kamath announced that garbage problem will be solved within 1 or 2 months.
I think with introduction of third-party audit system, whatever goes wrong in various departments can be brought, can be streamlined, and we can save lots of wasteful expenditure. My government intends to initiate a dialogue to start Rajiv Gandhi IT Park at Donapaula with all the stakeholders. We try to talk to them, try to find out a solution to see that this project comes up in the right sincerity. And I assure this House that we will prepare or approve the mining policy with a proper thought, with a proper suggestion from all sections. Speaker sir, on the issue of garbage sites, already House Committee has visited the sites. We are on the verge of preparing a report, and I am sure this matter will also be solved in the next 1 or 2 months.
A reporter Laukik Shilkar with Paresh Parav and video journalist